How often do you guys eat prata?
Maybe once a week, once in 2 weeks time, around that.
Yeah, same.
Ever since I work here,
Yeah, same.
let's try the plain one first. It looks very crispy. Though. Just a little bit.
So I try first without the curry.
Okay, so
You can try together.
Kosong.
Okay, let's try kosong.
I will rate it a 6 out of 10. Curry wise, I will rate it a 7 out of 10.
As for me, I'll rate the prata 6 out of 10 because the kosong prata is crispy. And then for the curry, I'll rate it 6 out of 10.
For the curry, I think it's 4 out of 10.
4 out of 10.
Yes. For the prata, okay, yeah, 6 out of 10.
For me, the prata will be 6, the curry will be 6.5.
This curry tastes even stronger. But that is more on the Assam taste.
It's a bit more chewy, so it's a bit better.
But I can taste one.
I see a lot of veggie.
This one is not spicy.
Egg prata is very thick.
I feel like the egg one is egg prata is so soft. I like it.
This prata tastes like I can taste the flour more.
Curry is about the same. It's 4 out of 10. For the prata, this one is a bit better because it's more chewy. So the prata is 7 out of 10.
For prata, prata will be 8. Because I like soft and chewy ones. Curry, if it's spicy, I'll give 8. But now it's 7. Because it's a bit spicy.
Prata, I'll rate it 7.5 out of 10 as it is thicker and nicer. And for the curry, it's also 7.5 out of 10. It's nicer than the previous one.
But for the egg prata, it's not bad. I like the egg prata because like it's very thick. It feels like there's a lot of egg, which I feel very sure eating it. And the curry is much nicer as well. I will rate the prata 6 out of 10 and the curry 7.5. I don't know how I feel about the curry.
Okay, the kosong is actually tasting more like bread than the prata. No, seriously, you try it.
Yes.
I will rate the prata 3 out of 10. The curry wise, pass a 5 out of 10.
As for me, I'll rate the prata 5 out of 10. And as for the curry, maybe 6 out of 10.
But for me personally, I like it tasty. So for the curry, I'll put 6 out of 10. For the prata, I think 8 out of 10.
This is curry. I'll give it 8.
I would choose the curry number C. Number C. With the letter C. And the prata from the B.
For me, the best curry will be the last one. See it?
Yeah.
Then, my favorite prata will be the second one.
I still like the prata here. Curry wise, I will choose the prata piece.
As for me, it's both B because the prata is nice.
Drum roll, please.
If you like it, then we also will get the free food. So please like.
See you on the next episode.